guys, in today's video I'll be showing you some programs that are ongoing, some applications in Finland that are ongoing for anyone that is interested. For instance, there are schools currently that the applications are ongoing. I'll give you an instance like this one I just opened, our doctoral degree program in educational science and psychology. It's a 4 years doctorate degree. It is totally free of charge, as you can see here. The language of instruction, if you read further, you see it's either is in Finnish or in English language. And form of teaching is distance teaching, independent teaching, and contacts. That means you're eligible to apply for student visa and come to Finland. All right, so if you're interested, I just want you to know that there are schools that started application again. So you can check this out. It's University of Oulu. The application ends on 30th of April. You can read the criteria if you're interested in this school. There are other universities as well. This is University of Oulu. There are other universities and there are other courses that are open, both batch undergraduate, both masters and PhD for anyone interested. See, another one I got here is Aalto University. This Aalto University has a doctorate program in business, economics, and finance, and free of charge as well for anyone interested. So, guys, give this a shot if this is your interest and you want to come to Finland. So, this is a great opportunity. So, let's go to another one, Aalto University. This one really caught my attention. Autonomous systems and intelligent robots. ICT is just 2 years. All right, and it's in English. You can read further here. In the master's program, the language of instruction is English. Okay, and it's 120 ECT credits. All right, and they have 0 to 100% scholarship. And whenever you see this kind of sign, you mean that you can read further to explain that students are not liable for paying tuition fees to Aalto University or eligible for Aalto University scholarship. Please see program website for more information. So you can also read more about this. For anyone interested, I just want you guys to take note of the fact that there are universities that started a separate application again. And this particular school, for those interested, and this particular course, the application ends on 14th of April 2025. As you can see here, so you can read this the prior education for anyone interested. They wrote university, bachelor degrees, University of Applied Science, and foreign bachelor's degree for those that are not in Finland. Then if you have foreign bachelor's degree, then you can apply to this particular course. You can read more about this for any of you interested. And then I also got this particular one, Novia, and this one really got my attention. It's also a separate application and a rolling admission for anyone interested. All right. So the rolling admission to MBA from 10th of March has started already to 19th of May 2025. In rolling admission, applicant meeting the admission criteria will be admitted in order the applications are received. The intake will continue until the application ends or until the study places have been filled. All right, so what they mean by rolling admission and separate application. is the joint application has ended. It ended January, and there are schools that need more people, so they open their application site again for anyone interested. All right, just to fill in the, for instance, if they need 25 students and they see that they need more students, they are not able to get the 25 students from the joint application, then they open a separate application, all right, for or rolling admission rather, also for such kind of filling in the gap. So if you're interested, please you can check this out. It's a matter of business administration, sustainable business design, part-time or full-time studies. All right, so if you're interested and you still want to move to Finland this year in August 2025, then you can apply. Also, Masters of Business Administration, Digital Business and Management. All right, so the one that got my attention is this one. The separate application is in Bachelor of Culture and Arts. This is the city, Pietarsaari is the city where I stay. So it really got my attention, and it's not so far from my house. This is for anyone interested in art. They are very good. I've been to this particular culture and art severally just to peep and see what they do there. And really, they do amazing things there. So if you're interested, you can give this a shot. All right, so I just want you to know that some schools started a separate application or a rolling application for, again, to meet up to the number of students that they need before the autumn, before they start the section. So for anyone interested, please give this a shot. I'm going to leave the link of to the school site in the description box for easy access. And if you find this video very useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you.